Cody Hall, District Manager for Probst Electric. I run the Boise office. We do a lot of overhead and underground utility installations. This is Jeff Sorensen, Underground Superintendent, Matt French, Line Crew Foreman, and Mitch James, the Line Crew Superintendent. We have taken on the challenge of finding a better, more efficient way to pull in underground conductor, and that is how we came up with this idea.
Hi, my name is Jeff Sorensen with Probst Electric. This is Matt French with Probst Electric. We're here to demonstrate the old style of pulling wire compared to another style that we've determined is going to be better for us out in the field and more efficient. Now you want to show them how this thing sets up? As you can see with this machine, it can be cumbersome in tight areas to set up. You can't get it into alleys, trailer parks, things like that. Our new machine can be utilized also for digging and utilized for pulling wire at different times. This is the prototype of our new wire pulling machine. It's a very simple bracket that we fabricated here in the shop that bolts on with 4 bolt holes through the side of the bucket. We got a hydraulic motor with quick disconnects, the speed control for the motor's right here. The capstan there, you can adjust the speed. You can put different size capstans on it if you'd like. We've actually used this for the last 6 months on our cable replacement projects, and it's worked great. Go ahead, Matt, show them how it works. Nice about this system is that we're utilizing a machine that also can be used to trench, clean up, landscape, whatever we need to by a few bolts, or just disconnecting this bucket with a quick disconnect, a coupler on the back, and putting the right size bucket on. So having this machine out in the field is useful whether we have a dig up, we have something wrong with the conduit, or we have to fix it quick even if we're during an outage or pulling wire.
So the capstan's design is also helpful in this setup because we can keep having it spin inside of the mule tape. So when we're pulling, we feel something come up a little tighter, or we hear something, or someone else says hold the pull, we could have this continue to spin, and we can just come off the back tension on the rope of the mule tape and hold the pull. And then also with us being out here in front of it, out spinning, a lot of your tension is only on that front side there. And so if we have to take multiple wraps, we're out here safely out of the way. And if we need to hold the pole, we can come off of the foot pedal. We can provide a little release on this back tension, and it'll both stop. And then also, if the mule tape gets wrapped over itself, it'll pull on its own even without you wanting it to. And so with this foot pedal, you can just come off and everything's stopped. So it's kind of like another backup in essence.
As you can see here, we got two different machines that do the same thing. They pull wire in conduit. Larger machine, harder to set up in small areas, but great and effective pulling in manholes, large areas that you can work in. Then we got the small machine that we can pull large wire with. We can set up in alleys, trailer parks, and all other places, and also we can utilize this machine to trench as well.
So the price point between the two is, this one starts right around the $106,000 price point. This with the Mini X, the total price is $63,000. That is with the attachment, and you have a machine that can do multiple different jobs.
We've seen through production in the field the last 6 months, getting our jobs done quicker, more efficiently, and moving on to our next job has made us more productive with utilizing this small machine on our cable replacement program.
So with the pickup of the workload in 2019, there's been a lot of opportunities for growth and the ability to come up with better ways to do things. We're going to show you these two different options. Hopefully,
So the cost difference between the two is roughly $42,500. This one really shines in backyard style projects, downtown, trailer parks. It can reach over a fence into hard access transformers.
It's so helpful that there's not a job that we don't bring it to nowadays.
This is a choice piece of machinery when our crews come to work. If they're going to pull wire that day, this is the one they usually take as our prototype.
please consider Probst Electric for the 2019 Innovation Award.